Only yesterday, the government has got a legislation passed given death penalty for using explosive substance. I do not say that they should give death penalty here also, but some severe punishment should be given. I would also request that the inquiries should not be prolonged for years together. If he takes action within a short spell of time, then rest of the people will remain informed and the number of accidents can be reduced. I just read in the newspapers recently that the honorable minister wanted the that the Rajdhani Express, which is running bi-weekly between Sikandrabad and New Delhi, should be run once in a week. Our people are requesting us every time to go to the honorable minister and get this train run tri-weekly. I do not know whether the news is right or wrong, but I would request the honorable minister not to reduce the frequency because Rajdhani Express is there from everywhere to New Delhi, but it is not there from Hyderabad. It should have been run daily, but I would request the Honorable Minister to make it a tri weekly train and not a train running once in a week. Similarly, the minister gave a superfast express train from New Delhi to Vijayawada, but it is taking 44 hours from here to Vijayawada instead of taking about 26 or 27 hours. May I request that instead of calling it a super fast train, it may be called a passenger or a fast passenger train. But if he calls it a super fast train, I would request him to reduce the time and see why it is delayed. The fare the railways are charging in those trains is of super fast train, but the train is going at a speed of super passenger train. May I request the Honorable Minister to find out the reason for its getting delayed almost every day. I can understand some reason if it is getting delayed once in a month or two. It is getting late every day. May the railway authorities are taking it easy, thinking that no member of parliament is there to raise that issue or to sit on the neck of the Honorable Minister, and fight as to why there is such a delay. I request the Honorable Minister to pay some attention to this. Similarly, last time you have promised to introduce a direct train from Vizag to Bangalore.